Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple process of sending Bitcoin Cash using your Paytaca wallet. Sending cryptocurrency has never been easier. Let's get started! To send Bitcoin Cash, start by opening your Paytaca app. Just tap on the Paytaca icon on your device's screen. With the app open, we're ready to dive into the world of crypto transactions. Inside the Paytaca app, navigate to the home page. Look for the send icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Let's pick the cryptocurrency. Just choose Bitcoin Cash or BCH from the options. This helps us get ready for the transfer ahead. You're about to send Bitcoin Cash. It's a two-option choice. Either paste the receiver's Bitcoin Cash address or scan their QR code using your device's camera. The choice is yours. Let's make sure we're accurate. Decide the amount of Bitcoin Cash you want to send. You have two options. Either set the amount in Bitcoin Cash or choose your local currency for clarity. With the amount set, the next crucial move is to confirm. This step finalizes the process, putting you in control of the transaction's execution. Simply complete the action with a swipe to send. Enter your PIN code or use biometrics to ensure security and authenticity. Now, patiently wait for the transaction confirmation. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the transaction sending Bitcoin Cash using Paytaca. Your digital assets are now on the move and you've navigated the process with finesse.